a digital way of farming through agromam. In order to secure food for the nation, the crops grown by the farmers are the basis. Currently, the use of technology has increased in all fields. What is the use of technology? It does not support the farmers who feed millions of population in the nation. With this in mind, our Agromam app services, with which Agromam app offers many services and benefits online to farmers and all sectors related to agriculture. The plants that farmers need to grow their crops are available in nearby nurseries. Cattle's manure for crops and cattle's feed are also available online. Cattle are tractors for plowing, farm equipment, showing and harvesting details of the laborers can be uploaded in the Agromam app. In addition, farmers can save time by uploading details of their cows, bulls, sheep, goats and pastures in the Agromam app, which will not only save time but also make your information known to nearby customers. In addition, Agromam app is a great facilitator for those who need to transport their crops, transport facilities, farm equipment, rental details, farm labor details as well as details of labor related to other sectors in the Agromam app. Farmers work very hard to grow crops. Crops are cultivated to withstand weather conditions, to withstand pest and pest infestations and to protect crops. They share the loss or misunderstanding of when and where to sell their crops. To this end, you can upload details of crops grown by farmers in Agromam app in the upload options, along with photos of your crops such as vegetables, fruits, grains, flowers, etc., as well as the expected prices. To this end, using the upload options in the Agromam app, Agromam allows farmers to set their own prices for their crops by uploading crop and expected price, farmer details in the crop related options. Thereby, Agromam representatives directly contact the farmers and assist in selling the crops at market prices. Farmers are getting higher income by implementing different cropping system instead of single cropping system. But it is very difficult for farmers to find their information. In the nursery options in the Agromam app, you will find all kinds of vegetable plants, fruit plants, flowering plants, coconut, banana, papaya and many more. The details of the nurseries near you by region. Therefore, it is suitable to plant crops according to the period you have planned, Rabi or Kharif. You will find quality plants that are not adulterated. Those who want plants can go to the nurseries and pick them up or book on the Agromam app, and our representatives will deliver quality plants home. Agromam strives to provide quality plants to consumers through this app. Sunday in the villages is a kind of festive atmosphere due to the cattle's market. The whole cattle's market area is bustling with livestock trading. This practice is familiar to all of us. If the farmer wants to sell his cows, oxen, goats and sheep, he has to arrange a vehicle to bring them to the signatory. He had to stay in cattle's market for a whole day, sell the cattle, take the money and go to his house. The farmer has to wait in the cattle's market for a whole day for this affair to be completed. If the cattle are not for sale at all, he must take it back to his hometown in a vehicle. All this is a wasteful, laborious and costly affair. The solution to this problem is the Agromam app. With all the livestock trading online through the Agromam app, you can reduce unnecessary costs and save time. Livestock owners can upload their livestock details including photos to the buy and sell cattle and vehicles option for livestock in the Agromam app. So livestock owners can contact livestock owners directly, pay a price and purchase. This not only reduces unnecessary labor and expense but also proves the money paid. If there is any problem with the cattle in the future, the seller will have the opportunity to ask. Not only livestock can be traded through this app, but also livestock manure, grass required for livestock, fodder, etc. can be traded and sold through this app. Moreover, these days the consumption of country chicken has increased considerably but has not increased in line with the consumption of the product. As a solution to this problem, Agromam took the initiative. For a higher income, farmers can earn extra income by growing country chickens at their homes, uploading their photos in the Agromam app and selling them as they grow. Since the native eat naturally available nutrients, there is also no cost to their nutrition. It is not always possible to buy agricultural implements. The reason is some crops are only planted for a few months. For crops that only last a few months, in such a situation, paying huge sums and buying tools can be financially burdensome. For such people, the Agromom app provides the opportunity to rent the tools needed for the crops. Through this app, the Agromom app will benefit those who rent farm machinery and those who need such tools. In addition, in Agromom app, location is an option and the details of those who upgrade the tools are available to the users so that they can get close by without having to travel long distances for the required tools. This also saves on the cost of transporting the tools. Importantly, by renting the tools needed to adapt to the weather conditions, farm work can be completed according to the weather conditions. To avoid these problems, we have made it possible for them to rent agricultural vehicles through the Agromom app. After implements in agricultural vehicles are just as important. That is harvesting machines, tractors, tillers, etc. The use of these machines, which started near plowing and ploughing, are of great benefit to farmers. Vehicle owners, by uploading the details of the vehicles they have in the Agromom app, will be able to rent those who are in need of farm vehicles. This facility will enable farm vehicle owners to earn income on their vehicles, which will enable them to obtain low-cost agricultural vehicles without any financial burden. In addition, the details of rental vehicles by region are embedded in the Agromom app so that farmers can rent the required vehicles from their nearest vehicle owner. This facility will be beneficial to both the agricultural vehicle owners and the farmers and will save time. There is no doubt that transportation plays an important role in the agricultural sector. We will see that many farmers are suffering, especially when the transport vehicles used for transporting goods are not available on time. As a solution to such problems, we have bought transport services in Agromom. Here, vehicle owners can upload the details of the routes of their transport vehicles. For example, a vehicle carried a load from Bangalore to Delhi. The vehicle may need to be emptied as part of the return journey. Otherwise, the motorist will first provide information on the Agromom app that he is coming to Bangalore on a particular route. With this, if someone wants to take the goods to Bangalore in the middle of the route, he can contact the motorist how the vehicle goes empty, so the motorist takes a less amount. This not only benefits the consumer but also the motorist so that the vehicle do not go empty. This approach not only helps to reduce energy consumption but also contributes to environmental protection. Orders on behalf of Agromom are available to motorists who have uploaded details of rent vehicles and equipment in the upload option in the Agromom app. Agromom rents nearby vehicles at the time of purchase of agricultural produce from farmers. Today, there are many job portals to cater to job needs, from big jobs to small jobs. But there is no online portal for daily laborers. Agromom intends to fill this gap. Daily laborers through Agromom and those in need of daily laborers can avail services through Agromom Media to suit their and their needs on the same platform. Primarily, it is a bridge between the agricultural sector and the agricultural laborers. The Agromom app is a great medium for those in need, such as construction workers, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, painters, welders, etc. Not only builders but also large companies can get the labor they need on a large scale through this Agromom app. Workers who wish to avail themselves of this opportunity can obtain information related to their skill appropriate work through the Agromom app by entering their name, skill, phone number details in the labor upload option in the Agromom app. In addition, based on the area of the app, it will show you the details of the labors near you. Also, for those who are in need of labors, you can see the details of which labors are available near you through this app. If nearby workers are not available, app allows you to contact workers elsewhere based on the information available. Due to the lack of intervention of intermediaries through the Agromom app, workers receive lower returns for their labor as well as cheaper wages for those who work. The Agromom app, which is bought by the farmer with many such benefits, should be used by the every single farmer to provide technology and pave the way for a new agriculture. With this approach, let us make the slogan "Farmer is a king" comes true. Let's get rid of the word damage in agriculture. Through the Agromom app, we provide awareness to the farmers on the market prices of agricultural products and provide necessary advice and guidance on marketing. A toll-free number will be available to enable this. If you have any queries regarding the use of the Agromom app, you can resolve them by calling this toll-free number 1800 Our details are: download Agromom app from Play Store. Our website address is https://www.agromom.com. Our YouTube channel is Agromom e-commerce. Our toll-free number is 1800 Email address is support@agromom.in. Address 2/27 Malenapalli, Tummala, Dharmavaram, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh 515672. Jai Kisan.